Hi everyone! Today I am sharing a pakoda recipe that will be ready in just minutes. Let's start with 1/4 cup grated carrot, 1 cup grated pumpkin, half cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves along with their stems, half teaspoon grated ginger almost half an inch, and 5 grated garlic cloves, that's about 1.5 tablespoon.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a bowl and add carrot, coriander, now we'll add pumpkin, garlic, ginger, 1.5 cup of gram flour, half teaspoon carom seeds, half teaspoon salt or as per your taste, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon kitchen king masala. Now mix everything well. Next, take a pot and heat oil for deep fry. Now carefully drop small portion one by one at a time. And fry on medium flame till it's golden brown. And a pumpkin pakoda is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!